Welcome to Fix Your Apps. In today's video, we are diving into the 5 best apps for calendar on Android to help you stay perfectly organized. We'll break down the top picks and their key features. Now let's get started. At number 5 on our list, we have Samsung Calendar. Now, despite the name, this app is available and highly rated on the App Store, coming in with a 4.4-star rating from over 88k reviews. It's designed to help you create events and tasks quickly and easily, ensuring you never miss an important date. Here are 3 standout features. Integrated calendars. It lets you manage all your schedules at a glance by adding various calendars, including Google Calendar. Color-coded events. You can easily assign different color codes to events in each calendar for better visual organization. Flexible display options. The app provides various ways to view your schedule, including year, month, week, day, and task views. Once you install and open the app, let's take a look at the layout. Tapping the home menu in the top left brings up your core calendar selections and general app settings. When you want to add an item, clicking the plus icon will immediately start a new event right from the date you've tapped, keeping creation quick and intuitive. For finding a specific date or event, the search icon offers a fast way to locate anything in your busy schedule. Finally, tapping the 3 lines icon on the main screen allows you to access more specific navigation and display settings, such as switching your view from month to week or task view. At number 4 on our list is Digical Calendar Agenda. This highly rated daily planner with a 4.3-star rating from over 168,000 reviews is one of the best calendar apps for Android, helping you manage your schedule with a clean design and multiple agenda views. Here are 3 standout features that make it a favorite. Simple interface. The daily planner has a clean design and offers 7 powerful agenda views for quick and easy scheduling. Powerful design. It syncs with Google Calendar, Outlook, and Exchange, and includes detailed global weather forecasts. Clear overview. Use one of the 6 beautiful customizable calendar widgets to get a clear overview of your busy schedule right on your home screen. Let's take a quick walk through the user interface. Tapping the home menu button in the top bar allows you to quickly switch between the 7 different calendar views such as day, week, and agenda view. The 3 dots icon typically opens a context menu, giving you options like refresh, settings, and help. Tapping the plus icon in the lower corner is your quick shortcut to immediately create a new event or appointment in your planner. Finally, the 3 lines icon, often called the hamburger menu, brings up the main sidebar, letting you manage your various calendars, adjust settings, and more. At number 3 on our list, we have Business Calendar 2 Planner. This application is an excellent overview of your appointments, easy to use, and provides powerful tools for planning your events and tasks. It holds a strong 4.6-star rating with over 249k reviews. Here are 3 standout features. Sync your events and tasks. This lets you manage your appointments and tasks all within one application. Better overview. You can focus on work, family, or private events by quickly hiding the others to keep your view clean. Time-saving features. This includes unique tools to swiftly update your work and private schedule. Now let's take a quick look at the user interface. Tapping the home menu brings up your daily agenda view, which shows a chronological list of your appointments and tasks. Next, hitting the plus icon instantly opens the screen to create a new event or a new task with smart suggestions to speed up the process. Clicking the 3 dots icon in the corner gives you options for the current screen. such as changing the view, searching your schedule, or accessing the settings. Finally, the three-line icon typically expands a side menu where you can switch between different calendars like your personal or work calendar, or access advanced features like printing your schedule to PDF. At number 2 on our list, we have Any.do, to-do list and calendar. This app has a strong rating of 4.4 based on almost 479,000 reviews, and it's recognized as a Google editor's choice. Over 40 million people rely on Any.do, which is an all-in-one simple and powerful tool that combines your to-do list, reminders, daily planner, and calendar. It's truly a comprehensive life organizer with some standout features. Advanced calendar and daily planner. Your tasks and events are always a glance away with a handy widget and multiple calendar views. Easy collaboration. You can effortlessly share lists and assign tasks to friends, family, or colleagues to work together on projects. Seamless syncing. The app works on any device, syncing your lists, reminders, and calendar across all platforms, so you're organized anytime, anywhere. Now let's take a quick look at the user interface. Tapping open the app brings you to the home menu, which is your central hub for all tasks and agenda items. At the top, you'll see a prominent search bar allowing you to quickly locate any note or task you've entered. As you scroll down the home screen, you'll encounter the My List section where your to-do items are clearly organized and ready to be checked off. Finally, if you locate the bottom of the screen, you'll see various options including the dedicated calendar tab and more, which provide different ways to view and manage your schedule. The clean, intuitive design makes staying organized genuinely hassle-free. At number 1 on our list is Google Calendar, a highly rated app with 4.5 stars based on over 3 million reviews. This official app for Android, tablet, and Wear OS devices is your go-to for staying organized and planning your day, offering easy event creation, multiple calendars, and much more. Here are 3 standout features. Automatic event imports. Events like flights and reservations are automatically added to your calendar directly from Gmail. Cross-device sync. Seamlessly switch between using the calendar on your phone, tablet, or computer while signed into your Google account. Shared calendars. Easily keep family, friends, or colleagues informed by letting them view, add, or modify events. Now let's take a look at the design as we navigate a fresh install. We land on the main screen, the home menu, which displays your schedule in the default calendar view. Tapping the plus icon brings up the quick create options for a new event, task, or reminder. Up in the corner, the profile icon allows you to manage your accounts and app settings. The search icon is there to quickly find any past or future events. Finally, the 3 lines icon in the opposite corner opens the main side menu where you can toggle different calendar views such as month or week and manage all your different calendars. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more app breakdowns.